Hi, this is RJ and welcome back to my mythos. It's another Glossybox unboxing today. I'm only going to do a really quick one because first of all I have somewhere to be, which is why you're in my bedroom rather than in my usual filming area. And also it's come rather late, so Glossybox usually posts by the 12th and today is the, I want to say 15th. Yes, it's the 15th, so that's yeah, it's a bit late. You've probably already got yours if you're using this as a sneak peek video, or you've probably already seen the full reveal that Glossybox actually did, which is fine. I'm just doing this more for a record, and because actually this box is good. Like, I've looked into it all properly, because I wasn't going to bother posting a video, but damn, it's the first time that Glossybox has actually really impressed me in a while. Like, everything in the box that I've got is something I will use, which is, wow, unheard of. Okay, so yeah, let's dive in. Okay, so yes, it's obviously a themed box this month, so this is the Dive In theme. And look how cute this is. This is really nice. A little coral. This is a really dark navy. My light isn't showing it off perfectly. But look, it's cute. Although I can't think why any of the products actually scream dive in, apart from maybe. No, actually, okay. I can probably do. There's a bit of a mermaidy kind of idea going on. Now this month they didn't give me the little card for me to scan and look up on my tablet, so that sucks. I'm gonna go on their website and see if I can find all the details of stuff, but if you want the same, unfortunately you're gonna have to look these out yourself. So I won't be commenting on prices unless there's something that I can reasonably have a guess at. So anyway, let's go. So the first thing, we did get a little freebie in this month's box, and it is this little nail file. So it's advertising Glitterbells, who are a training provider for aspiring nail technicians. Now, funny story, I would actually love to do some kind of nail tech course. I really would, because I actually really enjoy doing my nails. Fortunately, I've got nothing on my nails at the moment because I'm doing a show. Oh, that's actually a really nice file. Okay, it's a 100 grit one. Yeah, 100 grit, so it's a start file for getting it really nicely down. But yes, no, I would love to do a nail tech course, but they are ridiculously expensive in the UK. Unless you do them through college, which I was unfortunately pushed through the academic routes at college. I say unfortunately, I'm an academic person, so I enjoyed it. But that meant I never even considered doing something like nail tech at that age, and I think I would have really enjoyed it. But anyway, okay, just doing a quick file of my nails because they need it. So it's good, it's nice. It is a very rough file, so it's a start one. It'd be really good for if you've got gels on or acrylics that you need to just like whittle down a little bit. But yeah, a little freebie. It's cute, it's promotional freebie, I'm not going to complain about it. Okay, now into the actual box. So 5 products and they're all fairly decent. So we have 2 hair care and 3 makeup if you count nail polish as makeup. So I'm going to start with that one. So the first thing we have is a Nails Inc nail varnish, and this is in the shade Mayfair Lane. So this is, I think this is one of their gel effect nail varnishes. I like Nails Inc. I've used a few of theirs before in the past. They're good nail varnishes. They claim to last like the full 5 days, but I don't know about you guys, but I've never had a normal nail varnish last more than 2 or 3 days without chipping. But, you know, we can see maybe their foamure's got better. It's a nice coral colour. It's very similar to my skin tone. Now I need to have bare nails for something that I'm doing, so I'm not going to try it out. But if you keep an eye on my Instagram, I'll possibly do a little bit of an update. My Instagram is rjmythosmu. Yeah, it's cute and it fits in with the theme because it's a coral colour, although again we're always boring colours in Glossybox. Like coral colour nail varnish. Yay! How summery, how watery, how beautiful. No, it's cute. I'll wear it. Okay, next is hair care. So first thing we have got is, this is from Brave New Hair, and it's a leave-in scalp tonic. Balance might be the company. I don't know if you can really see that. It says Balance up here, and then Brave New Hair here, and then Scalp Tonic here. So this is a lightweight scalp tonic formulated to soothe and moisturise while balancing the scalp. Apply directly onto a clean scalp, massage gently, dry and style. Do not rinse. Oh, okay, obviously leave-in. So nice, yeah, probably really good if you got dandruff. I don't, I have quite a greasy scalp. But it doesn't seem to say it's for either dry or greasy. We've got AHAs, fermented aloe, hyaluronic acid and prebiotics, so it should be good. I think it's aimed more at keeping the skin of your scalp nice rather than your hair, isn't it? But yeah, I'm going to give that a try. Again, something it's useful, something I will use. Especially in the summer, because I don't know where you are, but I'm in the UK and there is a heat wave at the moment, and I know for a fact I'm going to burn my scalp, so that'll actually be really nice to use while it's nice and warm. Nice and warm, I say. I'm dying. I don't like the heat. I'm not made for heat. I should be living in Alaska. So, keeping with the hair care theme, we have a little hairbrush. This has no details about where it's from, but it's another nice coral colour. So again, in with the dive in underwater theme. It's one of those like tangle teaser style ones. It's clearly not a tangle teaser because it doesn't say tangle teaser on it. It looks really cheap actually, so I'm guessing this is no more than £5. It's very, very plasticky, but I have had these before from like Poundland, and they've been brilliant, so I'm not gonna prejudge it. Yeah, no, actually, that's good. Oh, that's actually really nice. Okay. Yes, I know I shouldn't brush my hair from the top, I should brush from the bottom when it's this length, but... Oh, you know what though? That's actually... I'm not mad at that. It doesn't feel... It feels a little bit like it's ripping up my hair, but that might just be that my hair is in awful condition at the minute. It's getting dyed at some point. I'm in a show at the minute, and I'm in a show this weekend, which is why I'm brushing off. And I've had to have normal coloured hair for the past, like, 3 months. And I am so ready to just bleach it and dye it a stupid colour. So next time you see me, it won't be like this. But yeah, actually, you know what? My hair feels really nice after brushing with that. And it's that good, it holds on to some hair, but they're really easy to clean these. You just pull them straight out. So it'd be really good for travelling. And I'm going to America in September, so that'll just stick in my bag. Nice and easy to use, nice and not going to get clumped up with hair. Excellent. Okay, so yes, another one, and this is all making me think a little bit mermaidy, so I can sort of see the water theme, the summer dive-in theme. Now, two things that probably aren't the summer dive-in theme are the makeup. So I've done half of my face already today, so I can try these out. My face has no dimension because I haven't done any of the contouring or that shtick yet, so bear with me. But yes, the next thing we've got is a Jolene, or Josephine? Josephine. Jolene. Okay, I'm sorry. It's a Josephine liquid eyeliner in the shade Glamorously Healthy. That can't be a shade. No, that is a shade name. Wow. Glamorously Healthy, and it's glamorously created in Brooklyn, New York, which is where I'm going. Okay, fine. We actually got a lipstick from these guys previously. This one, I believe. Yes, Josephine Lip Power, and this is my favourite red lipstick ever. This is from a previous glossy box, so I'm happy to receive this. I just pulled that out of my dressing table. That was nice. So let's have a look. I've not actually tried this out yet. Okay, so it's just a nice little felt tip style. Okay, hang on then, let me just pop that on and I will be right back. Okay, so that went on. Okay, so that went on really, really nicely, really smooth and easy, didn't drag at all, and it's dried down really fast. So I'm hopeful about that. I can't see that it says it's waterproof or anything. And there's nothing to say like how long it'll last. Oh, it is waterproof, yeah. High definition, natural waterproof graphic eyeliner. So hopefully that means that it won't smudge and it'll stay on through the insane amount of sweating I'm going to do in the heat that we've got at the minute. But yeah, it's cute. It's a really nice tip. It's not too rigid, but it's also not too wobbly. It, like I say, it glid on so smoothly. I've actually got a little bit of a bump in my eyeliner here because I wasn't expecting it to glide so nicely. But yeah, that is beautiful. That's such a nice liquid eyeliner. I would compare it to the NYX Epic Ink liquid eyeliner, if you've ever used that. It's got a very similar feel to it. So we'll see what the longevity of. Again, another one that I'm really pleased with. And finally, one more little makeup-y item. We have the Revolution Glow Lip Balm in the shade Firestorm. So this is it's a Glow Bomb lip balm. Look how cute this is. It's so adorable. Let me just open it up. It's a little round thing. I'm a big one on packaging, and okay, so it's like glued into the pack, so that's a bit of a that's a bit fun to get out. But look, it's a cute little ball. It's so cute. It says Revolution Glow on the top of it. It's all nice and shiny, which means it's going to be covered in fingerprints. But you can live out your Harry Potter fantasies. Oh look, I caught the golden snitch. Oh wait, hang on, transphobia. Woof. No. Trans women are women. If you don't agree with that, get off my channel. Just to get a bit serious on you for a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It's a nice shade, actually. It matches my curtains. So it's like a pinky, again, like a dark corally colour. So, ooh, that feels strange. Strange in a good way. It's a bit like gel. So it's going to be quite a glossy one. So let's just sluice that on. Okay, so it's very much a balm. It's got a little bit of a colour to it. but not... Sorry, I should look at you when I'm speaking to you. It's got a little bit of a colour to it, but it's not hugely coloured. It is literally just a lip balm. Feels slightly tacky. It's very thick with 3 C's. I don't know about that actually. Now I've got it on my lips. It's fine. It's nothing special, I wouldn't say. No, actually, the longer it stays on my lips, the less I like it. Oh, that's a shame, because I was quite excited about that. I mean, I'll use it. I'll probably just stick it in my car and use it as an emergency lip balm. Because it's not terrible, but it's not one I'm going to be reaching for. Which is a shame, because look at it, it's so cute. I feel like I should put a string in it and like hang it. I was going to make a sex toy joke. I won't do. I feel like I should put a string on it and hang it from my Christmas tree. Not anywhere else. No, there's normally 2. Anyway. Start again. Yeah, so it's cute. It's setting off my squeal alarm, but it's the disappointment out of the box, unfortunately. Right, so that is this month's Glossybox. We got a lip balm, we got a really good liquid eyeliner. I think the liquid eyeliner is my favourite thing out of it. The nail varnish I'm happy about. The scalp tonic I'm happy about. The brush I'm surprisingly impressed by, because my hair feels really nice and it's like slooshed down the flyaways as well that it normally have. So I'm impressed with that, yes. So yes, overall, very good box. I am definitely going to run away now because I should have been finished with my face ages ago and I'm not. So I will leave you to the rest of your day. Next month's Glossybox box unboxing will hopefully be earlier and slightly less chaotic, and hopefully, if I can get my bum in gear, I will actually have a Greek mythology video for you this month as well, so keep an eye out for that, and I hope you come back to my mythos soon. Bye!